Yeah, so I'm Daniel Giles. I'm from Hyderabad, and at the academy, I took the 1 year program for jazz guitar. I studied it online with Subrat sir.
Alright. How was your experience studying the online?
The experience was really professional, and I really liked it a lot. It was a very structured program, and knowing that everything was actually had an order, and I could learn in a sequence without having an overload of information or without actually having those laggy classes. That was really helpful to be on point.
And so how the semesters for you, the midterm exams, like exam, then being like smoothly okay?
So for the jazz guitar, the semesters were really creative and interactive. It was more about rather than copying someone else, to create your own identity in the music world, and to actually sort of build your own musical foundation in that sort of sense. And it was really fun interacting with Subrat sir. He was a very good teacher, and he never tried. He didn't try to spoon feed me. He tried to make me figure things out by myself, and that really helped me in learning more about the instrument.
That, yeah. How was this online variety that you did in jazz about different from other things that you have as in your
The biggest difference which I found was an actual structure, and it was not just having these fooling around and just no foundation, but this was really structured. It had a proper order of everything that was going to be taught, and I already got a preview of it. What am I going to be learning in the first class itself? He told me about what, and a lot of creativity was could be brought out from me because of the compositions and the improvisation, all that stuff. That was really good.
Yeah.
I am 14 years old.
You're 14 years old. You get to see the
I started my musical journey in around 2020 when COVID hit, and I've been learning since then. I started mainly with rock music, but then slowly.
Correct. There's some good to learn.
Thank you.
I never had a structure of learning.
Yes, I would recommend it to a lot of my friends if they were looking into jazz, and really found this program very helpful. It has taken me so far in terms of the musicality and learning, and not just about the instrument, also a lot of the theory and
Difference. People say,
application based
how
sort
can
of
you learn
music
online?
learning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.